What's going on, Park Hoppin? Marv here from Epic Universe at Universal Orlando Resort, and it is the first night for Universal's Celestial Good Night, the brand new nighttime fireworks projection show here at Epic Universe. Very, very excited. We're going to be filming the entire thing for you guys so that you know what to expect the next time you come here. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come on, let's hop inside. So we're waiting to get in right now. I'm being joined by the one and only RJ, Sensei Paws, Eric August over here. And so big night tonight, big fireworks show. What are you hoping or expecting this to be like?
Big fireworks and lots of music.
Yeah, I'm excited for I want to see what music they're going to use. I want to see if they use any obscure Nintendo stuff. Like, I want to hear if, like, Jump Up Superstar from Odyssey is in there or something like that. So we'll see. We'll see tonight. We are probably about 30 minutes away from getting into the park. So we will be getting in, we'll be getting set up, and then we'll let you guys know what it's looking like. All right, guys, we are about to head in to Epic Universe, get our spot all situated, and then, yeah, this is gonna be epic. Let's go. Man, you know what? A lot is said about this park early in the morning, and a lot is said about this park at night, but not enough is said about this park at sunset, because look at how gorgeous that sunset is right now. RJ, are you moved to tears by the sunset? Thank you. RJ's moved to tears, guys. Well, guys, and right there is the saddest sight that you can see is the exit of the Chronos Gate, which means that you're leaving, means that your day is over. But I'm just doing a quick 360. We have not even begun this epic night, and that is the sky in which fireworks will be igniting, and joy will be had, and frivolity will be felt. Not gonna lie, it's taking everything in my power to not sprint over there in Nintendo World and just bask in all the goodness, but not tonight. We have a mission tonight. That mission is Celestial Good Night. Right, I'm reminding myself, I'm not reminding you guys. Just trying to keep my composure, my focus directed where it needs to be. Oh, but they have mac and cheese cones over there. No! Stop, Marv. Stop thinking like a fat kid. Passing by the gate over here to How to Train Your Dragon. Wow, look at that with like the orange sunset behind it is really, really cool. And then there, of course, is the carousel over there. And, of course, everyone's favorite roller coaster. There it is, Stardust Racers. Well, behind the trees, that's the snack stand, where you can apparently get kimchi bao. So, that's a thing. Here's a better view of Stardust Racers, and here come the people. While I am not being distracted by prospects of kimchi bao. Can you guys tell I'm hungry? I did not eat before coming here.
Join us in 30 minutes at the Cosmos Fountains, where we will present our fireworks spectacular. Universal Celestial Good Night.
There you go. That was the first, announcement. You saw the sign, and there's the Helios Grand. Where apparently, if you're staying in one of the rooms there is a TV station that you can tune into that will allow you to hear the music and everything. All right, guys, this is our spot. This is it. This is where we will be viewing the nighttime spectacular. Now, it's going to be in the sky. I believe it's going to be projections, and it's going to be this fountain here as well. RJ, we got some prime real estate.
Yep.
I'm happy with this. Now we play the waiting game, because it's still entirely too bright out. But
I can start now.
ooh, look, the blue dragon. Man, I am really hungry. Okay, guys, so look at all the people that have now congregated here. The sea of humanity in the semicircle. I'm assuming that where you're going to want to be for this show when you come here is going to be this side, looking at the Helios. But then again, I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I'll tell you if I'm right or wrong at the end of this whole thing. But, little pro tip. After 4 p.m., you guys can head up to that lounge up there, and it's really, really cool. And you're able to do that pretty much any day. Get a coffee, get a beverage from the bar up there. It's really great. All right, Park Hoppin', we are T-minus 15 at this point. It's getting dark out. And this is where this park really transforms, because like more so than I think any other park in Orlando, Epic Universe, when it goes from daylight to nighttime, really comes alive in a whole new way. And here, I'll let you guys see up there. Everything all lit up, all the portals all lit up. Oh, there's Nintendo mocking me. So far away, but so close at the same time. But yeah, guys, if you are doing an Epic Universe day, it's imperative that you get here early and stay late, because you don't want to miss what this park looks like when the sun goes down. It's absolutely stunning. The fountain just changed colors, guys.
Travelers, join us in 10 minutes at the Cosmos Fountains, where we will present our fireworks spectacular, Universal Celestial Goodnight.
10 minutes. The minutes are going by slower and slower. For you guys, this is easy. It's just clip, clip, clip. For me, it's 10 very long minutes. Okay, so we've hit the stage in the countdown where the music starts up, and I gotta say, I'm loving this music. Very upbeat, very adventure heavy, very celestial, if you would. Sounds like this is part of the original score. So yeah, hold on, just listen to it. That's something you ride into battle to. Come on. Five-minute warnings incoming.
The stars await. Join us at the Cosmos Fountains in just 5 minutes for Universal Celestial Goodnight.
Now it's a cool blue. That's very, very cool. All right, guys, 2 minutes and counting the start of the show. And don't worry, I will shut up during the show. Fireflies are out. Love that. Okay, the lights are going down. Here we go. See you on the other side.
The time has come for the chronos to align. Across the cosmos, the energy of every portal will soon ignite, channeling the power of the stars as Universal Epic Universe bids you a celestial goodnight. of power-ups and jungle adventures. Travel through time using your wizarding magic. Stood face to face with monsters and darkness. And soared beyond the clouds with dragons. Now, Celestial Park invites you to a final celebration of these epic worlds. explorations live on in the stars above and within you. Until the next epic journey calls you back, farewell and good night.
Wow. That was, yeah, no. Like, I would be making that face, but I would be afraid that I'd be looking the way RJ's looking right now, and so I'm not making that face. But that was really awesome, guys. The use of the water, the fireworks above and on the sides, I thought it was great. Each land getting its own, additions there with the music. Would I have liked more Nintendo music, RJ? Yes, but that's always I want more Nintendo. We'll give you more thoughts on the way out when it's not quite as loud and packed. But yes, this was a big thumbs up. And we'll close out the video in a minute. All right, so you can hear us a little bit better now. Sorry if the RJ is still stunned. But no, it was a really, as far as like comparing to other nighttime shows, how would you rate it compared to other Orlando nighttime shows?
I liked it because it incorporated a lot of the hotel. It incorporated a lot of
there were more fireworks than I was expecting, and I was happy about that.
Yeah,
I thought it was going to be mostly water, mostly projection, because Disney has trained me to expect that, and there were a lot more fireworks than I was expecting.
No, I think they had a lot of good stuff inside there. One thing I was expecting, which I didn't get, was drones, because Universal is big on the drones now.
Yeah, and they use them over at the other park.
Yeah, but I don't think they were like expecting that. I think they were trying to go all traditional with it.
Right. So I was surprised that they didn't do more projections, like turn the hotel into Bowser's Castle. But I'm glad they didn't do that, because it meant there was more fireworks, and that's what I wanted. I'm an American. I want things blowing up in the sky more than I want to see pretty projections on the side of a hotel. Where I'm looking into somebody's window. So I'm super thrilled. I would have liked a little bit more Nintendo music. I would have liked more than just like the one Mario song, the one Donkey Kong song. But it would have been longer. It's a 10-minute show basically. It's shorter than I expected, and I'm not even really sure how long like the Disney ones are, but it felt short. It left me wanting more, and I guess that's a good thing.
Well, think about it. If they decide to put 2 more areas in this park, they'll just add it to the show.
That's true. That is true. We'll probably see. I would, you know what? And here's what my wish list, right? I want a Halloween and a Christmas version of this show to incorporate more of those elements as well. I think the one thing
Christmas.
Yeah.
They did Christmas last year.
Well, I want to see more of a Christmas overlay in this park this year, so I'm really keeping my fingers crossed for that. And very hopeful. So you notice, guys, I stayed quiet during it. The guy next to me was a little nervous. He was French, and he's an influencer, and he goes, excuse me, are you going to be talking like that for the whole show? And I said, oh, no. And he went, oh, thank God. And I was just like, oh, okay. I guess my dulcet tones did not amuse him. But yeah, there you go. A good night was had by all, including the French guy that stood next to me. It feels weird to be in this park at night and not have my legs and my knees and, like my hips and everything like that be just completely sore. But yeah, I'm going to take advantage of that and gleefully walk back to the car. This was a huge success. Thanks for hanging out with us, Park Hoppin. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
See ya.